Yo guys, what is up? And welcome back to another video. If you're new, you're mostly new to this channel because I haven't really been doing that much videos. So if you're wondering, if you have a couple of Robux, like 1,000 at least, then you can buy this house. It's really nice. I actually like all the other houses too. They're pretty comfy. And it's only 999 Robux. Not bad. But if you're... Leave a comment down below how much... Yo, bro, you're not getting my house. Or you are. If that girl's in my house, I'm pretty sure because I have my security door not open. But if she is, she's either a hacker, either my home is glitching, like the gate, or yeah. But comment down below how much all the things in my house, how much do you think? She had a little visit. Alright. I will say it is over 10,000. Way over, so I could say it's over 100,000, but I'm mostly gonna say actually. And I'm big dumb. Alright. Some kids might recognize my voice from my school. If they watch this, most likely that would be very rare. And I'm very dumb. I put my trampoline in the middle of my doorway. What up? Okay, so I'm gonna be giving you guys a tour of my house. So right here, that's my security door. That's why she didn't come in. Oh, that's why she left, because she couldn't get in. I see. I have a little smoke. Actually, no, that's not a smoke machine. That's my cleaner. Clean for me, peasant. If I need to add anything, I will, because I have quite a bit of money right now. I have a little fireplace and all. This is my party room. I have a giant trampoline here. 2 trampolines here. A pool here. Not like a pool, but the game pool. I think that's what it's called. I forget. I do my song seal. This is where I'll show you where I record my YouTube videos. Little confettis. Whee! I'm choking on it. Oh, it's a good thing I have a mask. My house is very toxic. That's why I have a mask. Nope. Toxic. Alright, I have a little DJ booth. One time, my friend dressed up as Marshmallow, and I made a DJ booth. Very cool. Not very good. I have a little seat, ball pit, bounce house, 3 hot tubs, 3 smoke machines, a speaker there. Don't have that much Robux, so I only got 2,000. I only had 2,480. 2 chairs. Here's my living room. I had more for my living room, but I want to change it a little bit. I have a giant chair, beanbag-ish, real beanbag. Coffee table, little table. Thanks for the cleaning, buddy. A little food. I want a banana. Hey, buddy. I have my $1,000 TV. I have my giant speakers. I have my little chairs. I have a off-limit room. This is my kitchen. I have popcorn and all. Some table, the TV. I have a pantry. There's nothing much to put in the pantry, so I just put baskets and a little room there. My favorite show. My kids like to watch it. Let's move up to the upstairs. Okay. Here's my visitor room. Oh, for a second it was glitching. Well, not showing. $1,000 TV, dance floor. My friends gave me it. That's how I also got the bigger dance floor, which I will show you soon. I think you saw those. A carpet, little dresser. Put those together. Make it one. Very crazy and smushed. My bedroom. I made myself a master bed. I have a desk. YouTube video. Some chairs. A little bit of carpet. It goes well with the floor because it looks like it's the sky. $1,000 TV. Basically, every room has one of those. That's my master bed. Put some pillars to make it look like those, and then like a wall there. My dresser, my mini fridge, lamp, earth. We love the earth. It is our planet. We love the earth. It is our home. Keep it clean, kids. Don't do drugs, kids. It's bad for you. Don't smoke. I bet Pause left this on. Pause. Don't do that again. My little sink. I have quite a bit of rooms in this house. Like 12, I think. Workout room. Actually, no, that my bedroom was the only where I do gaming. This in there is my gaming room. I have my office chairs because of course, I have to do work to get all this money. Library. Another one for my wife. This is my gaming. I have my camera and all the my green screen. I'm gonna get one. My face cam is acting up, so if you don't recognize my voice from school, then yeah, you'll know my face. This one is a very bright and color nice room. I might change the flooring real quick. I might do it like that. Ooh, that's nice. So put that lamp on over there. I asked you to open the front door, let some air. Oh. Sorry. I'm changing the flooring. Okay. I'm just pausing really quick because my mom wanted me to do something. I still have to do school. I do promise you guys I do a video every week. I'm a very newbie YouTuber. I'm a very clumsy. I'll say I'll do a video every 5 weeks until I properly. Nope, not in there. In here I have my meat room. I'm gonna add something. Here we go. My meat will love it. All right, and I need to hurry up because I need to talk about my parents about the limited time thing, so I can do maybe even hours. 24-hour challenge maybe. If you watch Unspeakable, he did a 24-hour challenge, and he actually didn't cut one thing. He actually made 24 hours, and he just fell asleep, but he wanted to because he's getting tired. This is my friend Mauricio's room. He has this and all. I've made the every room has like $1,000 TV. And yeah, yep. That might be actually all the rooms. Yeah, it's all the rooms, guys. All right, guys. I'm gonna end off the video here. If you liked the video, leave a like. share, leave a comment how much you think this house was, and subscribe, hit the notification bell if you want to see videos and you don't want to miss out because they're going to be awesome. I'm going to do a bunch of different games. Especially you guys won't want to miss my outside of the house things. My dad might get me a camera. I might have to buy it myself, but most likely he'll buy me one. But yeah. Alright, guys. Well, see you next time.